Hello, just doing a quick heater core flush on this 2004 Mitsubishi Outlander. So just dug down to the heater core hoses. This one's a bit tricky because there's such a short run on them. They go straight to the water manifold, so they're only about a foot, maybe a foot and a half long. So let's took off the top of the air cleaner and the intake hose, which is good anyway. I can clean that. And then just the hot side is on. So the hot side is on this side, towards the driver's side or the left side of the car, and the cold side's on this side. But when you start the car, and this line will always feel hot, and this line needs to feel hot as well. If it doesn't, if it's cold or a lot cooler than this line, then your heater core is plugged. It's just not flowing through there with the heater turned on and everything. So that's an indication. You know, it shows that you have coolant here, so the line's getting hot, and it shows your water pump's working. It's pumping water to here, but it's just not flowing through it. So time to reverse flow it. So I put this line on here. This line is just hanging up to atmosphere, just hanging in the engine bay. I pointed it down when I blew it out, and then this long hose here, just a chunk of heater hose. This will be 5/8, and I just blew air through it, and also ran water through it, which is kind of hard when it's so cold outside. But now that it's warmed up just enough so the water doesn't freeze, I can actually do this finally and not freeze my car anymore. So that's about all you do. I'll do a wrap-up video later and show how the improvement. But basically, this car can only get to about 15 degrees Celsius inside the cabin during the winter, so that's cold on a long trip. So I could use rad flush, but I just have some CLR around the house, so let's pour that in there to get any calcium, lime, or rust out if there is any in there, which I'm assuming that there is. It's all back together now. I had to cut a little bit of the 5/8 heater hose off of one side, but no big deal. There's lots of hose to push it back on. You can't even notice the difference in the way it lays or routes to the heater core. And now, yeah, even with the window open, the car's hot now. It's on low, so turn it hot, go to 2,000 RPM. It's like really hot air coming out, so huge difference. So just reverse flush the heater core and problem solved.